Hello everyone, welcome to I'm a Cooker channel. Today we are going to make a very unique and easy recipe which involves no cooking or baking. And with little bit of ingredients we are going to make it. And the ingredient or the recipe is tomato salsa. When you go to a Mexican restaurant, they give you that salsa with tortilla chips, which you always flavor it and always wonder how to make it. And today we are going to do it. I've added the ingredients in the description box. Let's get started. For this process, you can either use a food processor or a blender or a mixer. And the first step is I'm going to take 1 clove of garlic and then we are going to blend it. The next process, we are going to add all the ingredients. I'm going to add the tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, cilantro or coriander leaves, green pepper or bell pepper, squeeze 1 lime, add salt and blend everything together. Now our tomato salsa is ready. Let's transfer it. Now our delicious tomato salsa is ready. Let's try it with some tortilla chips or corn chips. It's very delicious and you can always adjust the spice and salt according to your taste. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy the recipe. Thank you.